Morning, dear students. Yesterday we have discussed about the type of migration. There are two type of migration: volunteer migration and forced migration. In volunteer migration, people move to another place on their own choice for better job, education, opportunity, etc. The forced migration, a person or family, a large number of people move to another place due to a natural disaster like flood, earthquake, tsunami, etc. and man-made disaster like fire, drought and terrorist attack. Today I am going to discuss the next paragraph: hardship forced by migrants, how they suffer when they migrate to another place. The migrant face many problems as they have to move away from the homes and families to other area. Means migrant face many problems when they move to another place with their family members to the other areas. The laborers move to city for jobs and better wages. Wages means salaries. The labor move to city for better job and better salaries. They have to live without basic amenities. Amenities means basic facilities like shelter, sanitation and safe drink water. Means they move to another cities, so mean they without basic amenities, basic facilities like shelter. They don't have proper shelter where they can live. Sanitation means toilet, washroom, etc. and safe drinking water. The condition is war when they migrate with their families. कंडीशन और जब कब ख़राब होती है, जब वो लोग अपनी फैमिली के साथ रहने के लिए दूसरी जगहों पर जाते हैं और वहाँ पर उन्हें बेसिक फैसिलिटीज़ लाइक प्रॉपर हाउस, सैनिटेशन और सेफ वाटर नहीं मिलता है. द वुमेन हैव टू वर्क हार्ड, और इन दिस सिचुएशन जो वुमेन्स हैं उनको भी काम करना पड़ता है. The children do not get education is because they have shift to the another place, so the children don't get education. Many migrants do not get any work and hence start begging. When they do not get work, they start begging. You can see here how the girl is begging. Now they are not going for school and she start begging because they do not get all the facilities. Now we will discuss our next paragraph: joy of migration. Sometimes when we migrate to another place, we enjoy this migration. Migration is like a chain. If the first person who migrate sent happily settled information to the loved one, the other also migrate to the same country. Means अगर हमारे घर का कोई मेंबर दूसरी जगह पर जाता है, किसी और कंट्री में जाता है और वहाँ से मैसेज भेजता है कि दिस कंट्री इज़ वेरी सेफ एंड दे आर हैप्पी देयर, तो उनके जो रिलेटिव्स होते हैं वो भी दूसरी कंट्री में जाने के लिए, माइग्रेट होने के लिए तैयार हो जाते हैं. माइग्रेशन bring happiness to many people. As we have discussed in the previous paragraph, माइग्रेशन में जहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, बट समटाइम जो कुछ इंसान होते हैं वो हैप्पीली माइग्रेट होते हैं और इट ब्रिंग्स हैप्पीनेस टू देम. दे सी न्यू प्लेसेस, experience climate that suit them, learn about new custom, tradition, cuisines, dresses, dance, music, etc. When they migrate to the another country, they experience many things like they enjoy the climate of that country and learn their custom, tradition. Cuisines means food, different type of foods, and dresses, dance, music, etc. So my dear student, in this paragraph we have studied how people enjoy when they migrate to different countries and different place. Now I am going to discuss the next paragraph, that is animal migration. As I told you, not only human but animal also migrate one place to another for many reasons. Let's start. Animals migrate with change in season. When they migrate, when the season changed, जैसे ये season change होता है, then they migrate to another place. They migrate to find warmer weather, better food supply, or safe place to give birth to their young. When they move, when they want to give birth to their youngs and for the better food, and they want warmer weather. Animals do not follow a map of GPS. Animal as human follow map and GPS, but animal don't follow map or GPS. They know which direction to follow. How? They learn this from their parents and have a special sense. With the help of the special sense, they locate different directions. Caribou live in snow-covered area. Caribou is a reindeer. ये नॉर्थ अमेरिका में होता है. बिल्कुल रेनडियर की तरह लगता है, हिरन की तरह लगता है, और ये स्नो एरिया में रहता है. दे माइग्रेट टू वार्मर एरिया. व्हेन दे माइग्रेट टू द वार्मर एरियाज. एंड wild beast, you can see here, this animal is known as wildebeest. Of Africa migrate in search of green pastures, crossing many crocodile filled rivers. They cross the river in search of green pasture, मतलब ग्रीन फील्ड जहाँ पर होती है, जहाँ पर उनको ग्रास मिले, तो वो वहाँ पर शिफ्ट करते हैं फॉर बेटर फूड के लिए. एंड क्रॉस मैनी क्रोकोडाइल फील्ड रिवर्स. और जो इतनी सारी रिवर्स है जहाँ पर क्रोकोडाइल होते हैं, उन रिवर्स को भी वो क्रॉस करके जाते हैं. द ग्रेट माइग्रेशन इज नोन एज वन ऑफ द 7 वंडर ऑफ द नेचुरल वर्ल्ड. or this migration is known as the one of the seven wonder of the natural world. इस migration को 7 wonder of the natural migration भी कहा जाता है. तो dear students, today we have complete our chapter. In this chapter we have discussed how people face problem like basic amenities, shelter, sanitation, and safe drinking when they migrate to different places. And some people enjoy the migration because they learn new places, experiences climate and about their custom, tradition, cuisine, dresses, dance, etc. And how animal migrate one place to another, and they migrate for the better food supply, safe place to give birth to their youngs. That's all for the day. Tomorrow we will discuss exercise of this lesson. Thank you. And you will read this paragraph and try to understand. Thanks. Have a nice day.